how to adjust screen too bright or too dark on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So you can manually change the brightness or even set auto brightness. So I'll teach you how. Let's dive right in. Head over to settings, then go to display and brightness. So here you can see the brightness option and you can see the slider. So if you want to turn on the brightness, just drag the slider. And then if you want to decrease the brightness, then just scroll to the left. So this is what you can do to increase or decrease the brightness. However, you can even set the auto brightness option, which will automatically increase or decrease the brightness according to your environment. Now, if you want to change the auto brightness, you need to go to accessibility, go to display and text size, and then scroll down, and you'll find the auto brightness option. You can just toggle it on. So this will also help you to make sure that your battery life is improved, the energy consumption, and long-term display performance will also be improved. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.